Today we're going to show you around this unique 4-bedroom detached family home. But before we go inside, let's take a look around. Armadale is a small town located in the southwest of West Lothian. Originally a farming community, Sir William Honeyman bought the land in the late 18th century, renaming it Armadale, fondly known as the Dale. Over the years, Armadale has continued to grow and become a thriving town. The M8 motorway is close by, and the opening of the Airdrie-Bathgate line means easy access to both Edinburgh and Glasgow by train. There are a range of independent shops, cafes, pubs, and you will also find the specialist Mill Garden Centre on the outskirts of town. For sporting pursuits, you can visit the town's swimming pool and leisure centre. There are also 2 bowling clubs.